So it's the result of my self-discovery in the design field. I started to work as a designer, as a graphic designer in 2009, and I worked on branding projects mainly, and then moved forward into UX. And it made me discover like the real power of design in the technology field. So this is what it means to me. It means the real power of design in the technology, in innovation. So I first found out about UX UI design when I was searching through job portals online. And I found out that in the job description, they're searching for people who who know how to code, like HTML, CSS. And I thought this job is not for me, but I was more interested in the design part, in the designing the interface. And then I didn't know much about the experience. And so on, when I first got my first job, I learned more about the topic, and this is how I grew. So there was this one time in the year 2000 when my friend bought a Macintosh, like a classic Macintosh computer, which was black and white, and I was like very wowed by the first interface that I saw, like where we stand now and where we are back then in 2000. And then I felt like I needed to be part of this digital evolution. So there's a lot of need for UX designers, and there is not much. I would say that there is real talent in my country, but all the power is shifted abroad. So everyone is seeking jobs abroad. And the power of UX is that you can work remotely, and then you're not bounded by like your country or your geography. You can just work on your laptop and then find solution for all over the world, like for countries all over the world.